Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, let's see how to make organic liquid fertilizer for your plants with beetroots. In the previous video, we have seen the zero cost fertilizer as it was made from the kitchen waste, but this one is not a zero cost fertilizer as you need to buy the beetroots. Last year we have tried this solution only once and that too only half of the bedding so that we can test and I noticed the difference. This year this is the first time I am preparing this solution to share with you all. Let's see how to prepare this solution. Take a beetroot and cut it into small pieces. Take a small jar or container with tight lid and add to it. Add water. There is no specific measurement for water, but I took 2 liters of water for a beetroot. Store it in a shade or inside your house and do not place outside under the sun, and just shake it daily once. After 5 to 10 days, shake well again and it looks like this. Here I am taking a colander and keeping on top of a bin and filter to separate the liquid and the solid waste. Beetroot liquid fertilizer consists of calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, manganese and many nitrates. Especially this is rich in nitrogen, so useful for plants to promote rapid growth and increases leaf size and quality. So it is best to use for leafy vegetable plants such as spinach, amaranth, gongura, etc. Surprisingly, you can observe here all the beetroot pieces are dissolved and only the outer peel is remaining. So technically you don't need to filter any and use as is on the plants. You don't need to dilute too. I am diluting it with adding the same amount of water. The organic liquid fertilizer from beetroot is ready to consume. You can add it to the soil near the roots. You can add this solution once or twice in a month and you can see the difference in the plants. So this is very simple and easy process and there is no waste left in this process. So it is easy to prepare and hassle free. This is more useful for nitrogen deficiency or leafy vegetable plants. So all the plants need nitrogen, so you can use it for any plants. Hope you all try this organic liquid fertilizer from beetroots and thank you for watching and subscribe the channel if you are not already.